Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to show you how to create yet another very powerful backlink that you can utilize for your backlinking campaign. So we have our NAP, as you can see, we have our contextual backlink filled with keywords that are topically relevant. We have our image here with our services, what we're providing, what's coming up, what we're doing. But what I'm going to show you today is a contextual backlink that you can build that is ultra powerful. And because it's contextual, you can make it topically relevant for your niche or for your topic. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump into this backlinking video. Let me show you how to create yet another powerful backlink. Let's get started. So what you will want to do is head over to bandcamp.com/artist, and then you will be brought to this menu here. So on this menu, you will want to select sign up as an artist. After you sign up as an artist, you will want to hit the sign up now button, and then you'll want to fill in your information. Now, I would make this information somewhat relevant to your business because as an artist, this is what's going to be showcased as your title tag for your backlink, and I'll show you coming up here in a minute. So bear with me here. So after you have filled out those details, you'll be brought to this screen and you can choose your URL. So in this case, we will use, and you might want to make this something that's related to your business, something topically relevant, because this backlink, this creation of this account will be indexable. So every piece along the way, make sure you keep in mind that it's indexable. It's relatively powerful, especially if you start sending tier 2 backlinks to it. So every step of the way, just be mindful of each step that you do. Okay? So now that we have created an account, you'll want to go over to your mail provider, whatever mail provider you use. Perhaps you're using Gmail or Yahoo. Perhaps you're using this particular site that I have decided to use. Whatever the case may be, you will want to make sure to answer the messages that they have sent. In this case, they have sent me this one welcoming me, because you never know if they have something in place that will understand if you have checked the mail or not. So we want to always make sure that we go ahead and we check the mail. So now we will want to go ahead and add an album. So now that we're adding the album, the very first thing that we want to take a look at is upload your album art. Now this particular image needs to be 1400 by 1400. So you will want to go ahead and add that. I'll add mine now. So you'll want to go ahead and fill in all of these details, but you need to ensure that you're adding a photo that represents perhaps your business, your service, or something along those lines, because again, this backlink will be indexable. Now down here where it says artist and all of these details, you want to make sure that you're adding all of your details. So let's just go ahead and keep doing that. I'll get to the backlink where you add the contextual backlink here in a moment. You want to make sure that this is set to public. Now in the about this album and the about album credits, this is where you will want to add your contextual backlink. So you will want to put in some details about your business, your operation, your music, but make sure that you add your contextual backlink into these two sections. So after you have went ahead and filled out the album section, what I'm going to do is go ahead and paste this in. If you have not noticed, what I have decided to go ahead and do is create not only a contextual backlink with keywords related to my business or services coming up in the future, and added a photo related to my business, services, and services coming up in the future, but I've also went ahead and added and created a citation of sorts amongst this particular listing. As you can see within this particular contextual part, I've created a citation. In my album name, I went ahead and created a citation, and I will continue to add more and more business details to make everything topically relevant to my business and my services, and this will be up to you if you want to go ahead and do that as well. I'll go ahead and just paste this right in. the exact same content, and maybe down at the bottom I will add a few more keywords just to make things a little bit more fun. So after you are done creating your album, you can go ahead and hit the publish button. Just make sure everything is filled in. So after you are done, it will say congratulations here in green. I want you to take a look. So congratulations, it has my name, my phone number, and my address. I've created a album citation, and I want to go ahead and show you now what we have created. So we will go ahead and view the album. So in viewing the album, as you can see, we have something absolutely magnificent. I went ahead and showed you a way to create a guest post, a contextual backlink, a citation, everything mixed into one. And I want to go ahead and show you, as you can see, we're sitting on a DA93 website. We have our NAP details. We have contextual backlinks. We have a topically semi-relevant backlink that is surrounded by keywords making it topically relevant, and we have a DA93, and the best part about it all is it's a do follow backlink. As you can see, our follow links are a turquoise, our no follow links are purple. So we have our NAP, as you can see, we have our contextual backlink filled with keywords that are topically relevant. So after we have went ahead and created our citation, our contextual backlink, our guest post, now the very next step that I would do, because this is a relatively powerful backlink being a DA93, but to get it indexed, to get it to show up, to pass more power, because again, these types of links, and you can go and create a profile on Bandcamp as well, but that's not as powerful as what I've just showed you here. So you can use this once it's indexed as a buffer, and how you would go ahead and do this is, see this URL bar, this URL space up here? What you would do is go up here, get this URL, then go to your favorite service provider, and what you're looking for is something that's called niche edits. These are your lower tier, poorer quality, cheaper backlinks that you can use as tier 2s to send to this buffer link that's sending link juice to your website, but you could use this as a in-between to filter out the poor quality backlinks and send more power to your website. So not only have I went ahead and showed you the citation, showed you what you can create, but to get this indexed faster, to use this as a buffer, start sending tier 2s, your drip feed links, or your niche edits, and that should wrap up today's video. If you have any questions about building links, about group coaching, press releases, citations, hosting, Facebook ads, anything digital marketing related, my name's Chris Palmer. I'm always happy to help. Leave a question in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO link building backlinking video. Have a wonderful day.